Welcome to Product Critique, your destination for honest and detailed insights into the best gear out there. Today, we're diving into a putter that's not just affordable but packs a punch far above its price point. Say hello to the best AXIS1 putter on the market, the Pinemeadow Golf PGX SLMB putter. Right out of the box, the PGX SLMB putter demands attention. Its sleek black, white, and green color scheme makes it look modern and sporty, and it comes with a premium head cover. A nice touch, especially for something in this price range. But what really sets this putter apart is the alignment system. Pinemeadow calls it the 2X orb alignment, and it's designed to help you square up your putts with confidence. Whether you're on fast greens or slower ones, the visual guide makes a difference you can feel after just a few strokes. Let's talk feel. The face of this putter features a consistent insert, giving you a soft, responsive impact when striking the ball. It's not too mushy, not too firm. That sweet middle ground makes it easy to get a feel for distance control and speed. And when you're putting under pressure, that level of consistency is critical. Whether you're 3 feet or 30 feet from the hole, it gives you the confidence to make a smooth stroke. Now the build quality is what really surprises most people. This isn't your typical budget putter. It's crafted from stainless steel, which gives it a satisfying weight and balance throughout the swing. At 34 inches, it's designed to fit most male golfers comfortably, especially right-handed players. And since the shaft is also stainless steel, you get added durability along with that balanced, traditional feel. One thing you'll notice the moment you start practicing with it is how well it swings. It has a regular flex which offers a predictable response. It doesn't twist or feel whippy during the stroke. That helps promote a more stable and accurate path, something every golfer needs more of, regardless of skill level. If you're a mid to high handicapper looking for a reliable club that will help lower your scores on the green, this is it. If you're a beginner who doesn't want to break the bank but still wants a putter that looks and feels like a tour-level club, again, this is it. Even seasoned players looking for a solid backup will find this more than capable. It's fulfilled by Amazon and includes a 30-day return policy, so it's pretty low risk to try it out. To sum it all up, the Pinemeadow Golf PGX SLMB putter isn't just a solid choice, it's a hidden gem. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you liked this review, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. Drop a comment below if you've tried the PGX SLMB or want us to review any other golf gear. See you next time on the green.